Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to onboarding, breaking news, latest update. What about the remaining onboarding and the process in phases? It is an official information from top MNCs and related to the updates, and it is posted on some of the top news platform. What is the actual reason of delay? What is 18-month policy? Training to final project allocation. What about Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture joining? In this video we will discuss about all of the important points. Let's start the video. This is the official update. This is the official news that is related to top MNC. Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra onboarding delay. Former HCL Tech CEO Vineet Nair sir says that this happened before. Okay. So Business Today has Business Today is a news channel that reported that Indian IT services company Infosys, Wipro along with international company other have onboarding delay of new recruits by over a year. So Vineet Nair sir, former CEO of HCL Technology, in conversation with Business Today said that delay in the onboarding of freshers at IT companies is not a new thing and happened before. They are just mentioning that it is not a new thing because according to the business requirement it is changed. Okay, it is very true and it is 100% right. This delay in onboarding has happened multiple times when there are twists and turns in the demand environment. This is happened before as well as when there is an opportunity turn for the negative or for the positive. I already mentioned in my previous video that up and downs are coming in the life, and if if uh, if I talk about any of the industry, IT industry or government sector or some of the other private sector. Okay, so there is sometimes there is very high chances, high opportunities are there. Sometimes there are low opportunities are there. Till Infosys already declared for joining date in the November to December phase. Okay, Infosys already declared, Tech Mahindra already declared that the joining in the form of phases and the joining is in the December. As well as for the Accenture, they are sending the selection mail. As well as for the Wipro, WILP joining is completed. Now the turn is for the light and for the turbo. Okay, so most probably IT MNC जो है वो प्रोसेस के हिसाब से चल रहे हैं. They are completing first process, they are completing second process, third process. But what is the new thing? That is a 18-month policy. Okay, the former CEO of India's third largest IT service company explained that employers are unable to predict the demand for talent accurately, which result in issues like in the delay of onboarding of fresh recruits. One of the most important point, प्रीवियस ईयर 1 लाख हायरिंग हुई, किसी कंपनी में 1 लाख हायरिंग हुई, किसी में 50,000 हुई, किसी में 18,000 हुई. ठीक है, तो 80,000 हुई. तो इस हायरिंग के चलते वहां पर बहुत सारी न्यू फ्रेशर्स की रिक्रूटमेंट हो गई. अब यहां पर क्या हुआ? डिमांड कम हो गई. देयर इज लॉस इन डिमांड. ओके, सो एक्चुअली यहां पर लॉस इन डिमांड हुआ, इसकी वजह से यहां पर ये डिले देखने को गया. दिस इज द एक्चुअल रीजन. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द 18-month पॉलिसी? Ability to predict a demand for talent really goes wrong. A new employee take about 6 to 9 months to get trained and deployed on a project. And in the case of freshers, the offer is made on a year in advance, which means predicting at least 18 months in advance whether you would need that employee or not. Nair highlighted. So they just mentioned that actually अगर हमारे पास कोई ऑफर आया है तो पहले 6 से 8 महीने तक तो आपकी जो रहती है वो ट्रेनिंग रहती है. द 6 to 8 month पीरियड इज ट्रेनिंग पीरियड. आफ्टर दैट एक्चुअली द 18 month, एटलीस्ट उनको 18 month चाहिए रहते हैं जिससे कि वो यहाँ पर डिसीजन कर सकें वेदर दे विल मेक अ डिसीजन दैट वुड नीड दैट एम्प्लॉय और नॉट. ओके, so the delay in onboarding at this company is mostly a result of drop in business demand. Infosys respond awaiting job claimants. Please be informed that we are allocating date of joining based on business requirement. They will send the 2-3 week at least prior to your joining date. If someone joining is in the January or February, most probably he got or he or she will got the update in the December itself also. Capgemini also released the similar assent. We understand your grievance. Rest assured, we will honoring all the issue letter of intent. Our onboarding process is aligned with client requirement and overtime to factor for project schedule. अब अगर आपको वो अभी एकदम से ऑन बोर्डिंग दे दें और फिर आपको अगर प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा, सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली फिर क्या होता है, फिर काफी सारे कैंडिडेट्स और जो फ्रेशर्स रहते हैं वो बेंच पे रह जाते हैं। और इस वजह से यहाँ पर एमएनसीज भी ये नहीं चाहते हैं, एमएनसीज लगातार अच्छे से अच्छे रिजल्ट्स दे रहे हैं आप सभी के लिए, फेजेस में आपकी ऑन बोर्डिंग करवाई जा रही है। तो प्लीज आप जो है मतलब यहाँ पर ये बिल्कुल ना टेंशन ले कि हमारी ऑन बोर्डिंग नहीं होगी, जल्द होगी आपकी ऑन बोर्डिंग, पर सारी प्रोसेस जो होगी फेजेस में होगी। एंड आई ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू टू, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम और अपॉर्चुनिटीज में अप्लाई करें, सो प्लीज चेक इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोज ऑन आवर चैनल। I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.